Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. The market opened higher on Monday than at the previous close. However, due to the quick liquidation in the positions of the Adani group of companies, it fell sharply to the levels of 15,600. Within 20 minutes of trading, the market moved to the levels of 15,600, but then we witnessed a gradual recovery which pulled the market back to the highest levels of the day. It was completely unexpected to recapture the levels of 15,800, but Reliance, Infosys, and Bajaj Finance made it possible. The formation of the market is suggesting us that it's a bullish continuation formation. However, for that, the market would need consolidation between the levels of 15,850 and 15,700 levels. Once the market starts trading and sustaining above the levels of 15,850, then it would not be difficult for the market to conquer the levels of 16,000, 16,050. The buying is advisable if the market drops to 15,740, 15,700 levels. The Bank Nifty has formed a dragonfly doji, which is again bullish for the sector and for the market. The reason is because after hitting the major support of 34,400, the Bank Nifty recovered and it closed at the highest point of the day. So during the day also, if we see the trend of Bank Nifty, then it opened higher along with Nifty and it went down to the important levels of 34,400, but sharply it recovered under the leadership of ICICI Bank and State Bank, which are commercial facing banks. So we can say that there is like flows and which are in line with the expectations, and that is why we are considering Dragonfly Doji as a crucial and bullish pattern for the market. So we can expect further upside, but yes, we need some consolidation before heading higher. For the day, we are expecting Bank Nifty to remain within the range of 35,100, 34,650. Above 35,100, we can expect bullish continuation. On the downside, 34,650 is going to act as support. So there, in case if we see any drop, we should look for adding long positions. And for the Nifty, we discussed 15,850, 15,740. These are the levels to watch out for. For the day, again, the focus should be on banks, metals, cement, pharmaceutical companies. And our top picks are ICICI Bank, State Bank, Tata Steel, Hindalco from the metal basket, Ultratech Simco, and Sun Pharma, Cipla from the pharmaceutical companies. And there also the position strategy should be to buy and hold for next few weeks. So it's a positional call. Asian markets are trading lower. The Singapore Nifty is also following to the same, and it is down nominally by 30-35 points. But the bond yield, which was around 1.45, is now trading at 1.48. Crude is settling around 72-73 levels, and our currency, which was around 72.80, 72.95, is now at 73.27. So other factors which are like headwind sort of things for Indian markets are not in our favor. So we need to be careful if we see the market is approaching to the levels of 16,000. Strategy should be to buy on dips. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's call. Thank you very much for listening in and have a great day to all of you.